In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a neutral grip dumbbell press on a Swiss ball. So firstly, the main primary mover in this exercise is going to be elbow extension, which is going to be primarily working your triceps, so at the back of the arm. Now, when we come into this movement, you're only going to have your head and your upper back and mid back in contact with the Swiss ball. Otherwise, your lower back, your glutes and your legs are actually going to be not in contact with the Swiss ball. Now, let's go through how we can set this exercise up and then how we can execute it. So firstly, I've got the dumbbells in front of me here. I'm actually going to be walking away from this Swiss ball once I've got the dumbbells on my knees. And then from this position, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start walking my feet away from the Swiss ball until I'm on my head and also my mid and upper back with that Swiss ball. From here, notice the position of my hips, so they're nice and high, glutes squeezed, feet hip width apart. And I'm going to straighten my elbows, bringing the dumbbells directly up and slowly back down. Try not to come up as in directly above your shoulders or above your head. You're trying to keep that 90-degree angle and keep your knuckles facing up when you do each repetition. Make sure to brace your core and keep those glutes and hips activated because you want the hips nice and high when you're doing this exercise. You should feel the glutes squeezed. From this position, once you're done, you then walk back up, place the dumbbells on your knees, and then you can place them down safely. If, for example, when you're doing that, you don't like the fact of trying to come up with the dumbbells and you do want your hands there for balance if needed, you can always drop the dumbbells, but just make sure that, again, there's no one around you. It's not going to cause anyone an injury or things like that, especially with heavier dumbbells than what I'm using here. Now, for that exercise, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a neutral grip Swiss ball press.